How much does it cost? Do I look like an oil tycoon to you? Actually, not a bad idea. This is our oil field. The survey shows there's so much oil here you could butter your butt with it. Now drag that tower over here. Wait, a watchtower? Put up the drilling rig, you geniuses. So basically, it works like this. Deep underground lies oil. You poke a little hole, drop in a pipe, and the oil shoots up under pressure. If there's not enough pressure, we just suck it up. You know, like drinking soda through a straw. Then we sell the oil and shamelessly bathe in money. Easy peasy. How's the drilling going? Oh, come on, faster. I'm already dreaming about how I'll spend all that money. I'll probably buy myself... Hello? Yes, that's my rig. Permit? Of course. One moment, they'll bring it right out. So the permit's fine? Perfect. Thanks for stopping by. No need to come again. All right, back to business. All right, where was I? Oh, yeah. Hello? Who? The greens. No, I don't have any more green ones. Oh, you are the greens. Oh, crap. Where did you climb from? You little Christmas star. All right, I get it. All right, we'll go green too. That work for you? Sure, we'll love the animals too. Wow, we've totally merged organically with nature. Now we just have to wait for nature to start leaking back organically. Oil formed millions of years ago from organic remains. Basically, the gooey leftovers of dinosaurs, fish, and plants. Under heat and pressure, that graveyard turned into a juicy substance we call oil. Oil gives us cosmetics, fuel, asphalt, and all sorts of goodies. Hey, why did the drilling stop again? Who are you people? I'm listening. You want a cut? Oh, you're those guys. Okay. Just tell me this, rabbit or wolf? You don't get it? Hold on a sec. No, don't shout. You'll scare the animals. When they get scared, they multiply like rabbits. And trust me, that would be a humiliating way to die. Anyway, where was I? Oh yeah, I'll probably buy... What the hell? Where's my rig? Where's my oil? We hit a gas bucket. It's like a giant underground balloon. And we just popped it. Good people, help us add Oil Tycoon out. Subscribe to my channel, please.